There are a number of different opportunities that people have as medical students to participate in global health activities here. So from working in research labs that are focused on global issues like malaria, to participating in local experiences with the local health department that are serving underserved populations. And of course our international electives where students can travel abroad to various places throughout the globe. One of our flagship programs is really in Kenya. We've had a long-term partnership there for 30 years with the Moi University School of Medicine and Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. It's an experience that's really quite unique in global health because we have full-time faculty on the ground that are helping students to navigate the system there and plug into the system and be really helpful to the patient care, as well as appreciate the lessons of global health in that context. At the Center for Global Health, we think of global health really as a philosophy rather than a location-dependent thing. So a lot of the opportunities to participate in serving underserved populations here in the United States and in Indiana also tie in with our global health themes. And so we've got a lot of opportunities to participate there in what we call reciprocal innovation, taking lessons we've learned globally and applying them here and vice versa.
Prospective students should consider IU if they're interested in global studies for 3 reasons. Number 1 is the amount of global health organizations that exist here that allow students to travel abroad and serve. Number 2 is the research experiences that you stand to gain, because there's a lot of professors here that actually focus their research on global health diseases. And so while you may not go there in person to serve, you can actually learn a lot more about the diseases that affect, people that we travel to go visit. And number 3 is the clinical exposure for people who live in quote unquote impoverished communities here in Indianapolis. And so these 3 reasons, I think, are reasons why prospective students can consider IU.
We've actually done surveys of IU students who have participated in this elective, and many of them have described it as life-changing or transformative because it opens their eyes to what's happening in the rest of the world. It's too easy to sort of have your blinders on and kind of think about what you're seeing in front of you is all there is. But the rest of the world lives very differently than we do, and sometimes they have ideas on how to fix those. That sort of innovation that comes out of need. That can be creative and can be transformative in and of itself, and we can learn from those lessons and apply them.